This is another area for dairy farm. We are powering the housing for the cattle. The cattle are fed on hay, so they need a chaff cutter and defreezing or fridge for storing the milk, and the milking machine. This is a 5 kilowatt system. The panels are 14 400 watts, and we have flooded flooded lead acid batteries of 200 amperes, the ones that we call these are tubular lead acid batteries, 200 amperes, 8 pieces of them. They're the ones you're using to power it's a 10 kilowatts, not 5 actually, it's a 10 kilowatt system where we are powering the chaff cutter. The chaff cutter is over there. The stack of hay that is used to feed the cows are there, and that is the feeding stock. This is the cow shed basically. The inverter here is 10 kilowatts. As you can see from the power rating sticker, these are the cows that are milked using this machine twice a day. They are milked twice a day, at 1 p.m. and at 1 a.m. every day. You can see them here. Hi. This is a dairy farm. It's called a dairy farm. The cow shed. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can see this is what we are generating from the PV.